Our morning walk on the beach.
I guess. Is this what this is going to end up?
A lot of seaweed. The ocean in the morning.
So pretty. What's that? Rice cake? Styrofoam.
Styrofoam.
So,
Bird.
in the morning on Clearwater Beach, trash washes up.
Obviously, we found a shovel. Shovel.
Teresa, I'm not the only one that drops shovels.
What is that? Trash.
Your bobble dog. You got up early to come walk on the beach.
For nothing.
This is our pride. Got tons of little bud dead. It's not bad.
Can't tell if I'm getting it.
A sandwich.
Sandwich.
So the fishes eat in the morning on Clearwater Beach.
What is that?
Corn on the cob
Oh,
has washed
God.
up on Clearwater Beach.
Oh my.
What's that up there? Bubbles.
Rebels. Pine tree. From Terre Haute.
It's kind of neat. Don't know what I'd do with it.
I don't know either. Make it a Christmas tree.
It's all kinds of neat leaves and shit. If you were a leaf collector.
No starfish. Once again.
Bubbles.
Pebbles. Trash. Leaf. Stuff. Pebbles. Trash.
Trash. Calamari.
Calamari. That's yummy. What's that?
It's a shell.
Seashell.
Twizzlers washed up on Clearwater Beach.
Twizzlers.
You're looking for the number.
A bobber.
Got a bobber. Bobber.
A flip-flop. I wouldn't touch that one. A flip-flop.
All the way from
Are you kidding me?
Malaysia.
Malaysia.
It doesn't look like anything we wear here.
I know.
But light cans have washed up.
Bubble bottle.
From Haley's wedding. Has washed up.
Water bottles.
A flower.
A weird flower leaf thing.
That's probably from somewhere.
Yep.
Curly Q shell. You're gonna get a lot of bees.
Snakeskin.
Wouldn't you say?
No.
No. What is it then?
I don't know.
Oh, what is it?
I don't know. Is it itchy? Are you scared?
It's slimy a little bit. What do you think that is, Haley?
I don't know. That's weird. That's real weird.
I like it.
Time out.
Here's my pile of weird stuff that washes up on Clearwater.
Oh wait, do you want in this?
Oh yeah, good idea.
Ew, I touched it.
It's kind of creepy.
Ew. Let's not take that home.
She said no. Now one thing can come to life.
Oh shit. JJ! I think your caterpillar thing came alive again. A box. No.
Yeah. Right there. Well, my little vase thing needs some
Seaweed. Bird.
Oh, hey.
Bird. There's a
Oh.
tent. I don't think we should go back there.
I bet you there's shenanigans going on in there.
Probably something poisonous. No starfish for me.